A customer asked us to take this old door chime, an old doorbell, off the wall. They recently replaced it with a wireless doorbell and camera system. This old piece of equipment actually has some useful items. This terminal board on the front can be taken off, and this could be used as a set of input and output connections for whatever electrical project you're building, or it can be used to repair something that you're actually building if you need input-output connections. And there are also a pair of electromagnets behind this board. You see the red-colored copper coils. That is a good source of magnet wire, and that can be used to build transformers, inductors, coils. You can build other electromagnets with it. You can use it to splice and repair existing magnetic wiring, and there's a whole bunch of other purposes that you can think of. Let's go ahead and take this thing apart, and we'll turn some useful stuff out of this old junk. These twist tabs are very easy to remove. Let's go ahead and put a plier on it. I'm going to lift this straight out, and there we go. Now that we've pulled this apart, we have our set of jacks here. These are screw terminals, and if you go ahead and drill holes where these slots or ovals are, you essentially make mounting holes. And if you're building a project that requires input-output connections, say power or speaker, whatever, you can go ahead and just knock out a small rectangle in the front panel or back panel of your project, put this over it, using these screw holes to mount this in place, and you've got a way of getting connections in and out of your project. And you also have 2 rolls of magnet wire. This magnet wire is about 28 gauge, and once you cut the wiring off this board or desolder it, you've got a good source of good quality magnet wire you can use for transformers, inductors, whatever application you want.